mean or average value of alternating current. As we know that average current or average value of alternating current or mean value of alternating current is given by I average is equal to 0.636 into IM, where IM is the maximum value of current. Now let's see why or how this 0.636 came from. So first of all, we know that alternating current waveform is like this, and this is a sinusoidal waveform, and it is starting from 0 point, so it is a sine wave. Now this is positive part and this is negative part. On x-axis this is time and on y-axis this is current. Now we can find the value at any instant. So it is given by I of t. It is the instantaneous value of current. I of t is equal to Im sine omega t. Now this sign represents the shape of the wave. So here this sign represents the shape of the wave. And this Im is the maximum value of current and this I of t is the instantaneous value of current. Omega is the angular frequency and t is the time in second. So we want to know how this 0.636 came from. So when we take average of this whole from the 0 to this complete cycle, and it is total time period t. It is complete cycle. It is called as time period. Now if we take the average of this whole cycle, so it will be 0. So what we will do, we will take the average of this half cycle only, that is up to t by 2. So it will be given by I average is equal to integration from 0 to t by 2, and we will take the integration of this I of t with respect to time dt divided by t by 2. Now if we simplify this, so we will get this value. So let's check this. Again, let's take this from here. Take this expression here. Now we know that I of t dt is given by, it is equal to, we can rewrite this as 2 by t. 2 by t and integration of 0 to t by 2. Now this I of t can be written as Im sine omega t. Im sine omega t dt. Now this Im is constant, so this 2 Im divided by t. Now integration of this sine omega t is minus cos omega t divided by omega, and the limit will be from 0 to t by 2. Now again this minus and omega, we can take this outside, so minus 2 Im divided by capital T into omega, and then we will apply upper limit and lower limit. So again first we will write as it is, so cos omega t, then upper limit t by 2 and 0. So minus 2 Im divided by t omega. Now upper limit is t by 2. So cos, in place of this t we have to put upper limit, that is capital T by 2, then minus cos omega into t. T value this time will be 0. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this will be 0. Now we know that omega is equal to 2 pi f. Omega is equal to 2 pi f and f is equal to 1 upon t. So 2 pi by t. Since f is equal to 1 upon t, if we put f is equal to 1 upon t, then we get omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So therefore omega into t is equal to 2 pi. Omega multiplied with t, we get 2 pi. And also this t by 2. So t divided by 2. If we take this t on this side and 2 on this side, so it will be pi by omega. Pi upon omega. So we can take this t on this side and this omega on this side and this 2 on this side in the denominator. So we get this. Now we will put these values here. So again let's copy this from here. Now minus 2 Im divided by t omega. Now in place of t omega we can substitute 2 pi. So 2 pi. Now cos omega t by 2. In place of t by 2 we can substitute pi by omega. Pi upon omega minus, now the value of cos 0. We will put cos 0 as it is first. Now again this omega and this omega will get cancelled. So let's copy it from here. Now this omega and this omega will get cancelled. So only remaining part is pi. And here also this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Now minus Im divided by pi in bracket cos pi. Cos pi value is minus 1, or we can say cos 180 degree is minus 1. Then minus cos 0 value is 1. So this will be minus Im divided by pi multiplied with minus 2. So minus 2 into minus will be plus 2. Im divided by pi. So if we simplify this, 2 upon pi. So here we know that 2 divided by pi is equal to 0.636. 0.636 into Im. And this is all equal to I average. AVG. AVG stands for average. So this is the final answer, and this is how the 0.636 came from. So this is the relationship between maximum current and average value.